In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Google Drive API. Whether you're developing an application that interacts with Google Drive or simply want to explore how APIs work, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can harness the full potential of Google Drive functionalities. Enabling the Google Drive API is straightforward when you know the path, and I'm here to guide you through it seamlessly. First, let's head over to the Google Cloud Console. This is the central hub where you'll manage your Google Cloud projects, APIs, and other resources. If you haven't visited this platform before, simply go to your browser and search for Google Cloud Console. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials if prompted. This is the gateway to accessing a variety of Google's cloud-based services. Now, once you're inside the Google Cloud Console, the next thing to do is select a project. If you're already working on a project, you'll see it listed. But if you're new to this, you might need to create a new project. Just look for the Select a Project drop-down menu at the top of the page. Here, you'll see options to either choose an existing project or create a new one. Picking the correct project is crucial since you'll be enabling the API for that particular set. So double-check to ensure you're on the right track. With your project selected, the subsequent step is to navigate to the APIs and services. On the left sidebar, you'll find this section, which is essentially your control center for managing various APIs. Click on it to access more options. After clicking into the APIs and services, you'll want to locate the Library section. The library is where you'll search for and find APIs available for activation. Click on Library and you'll be presented with an extensive list of APIs that Google offers. Now let's search for the Google Drive API. In the search bar provided, simply type Google Drive API. It's specifically designed for managing files and folders within Google Drive, making it a powerful tool for developers wanting to integrate those functionalities. Once Google Drive API appears in the search results, click on it. You'll be taken to a new page that provides details about the API, including its features, usage, and more. There, you'll find a prominent Enable button. Clicking this button will activate the API for the selected project, granting your application the access it needs to interact with Google Drive. There you have it. You've successfully enabled the Google Drive API. This is just the beginning of integrating the robust capabilities of Google Drive into your applications. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your apps with cloud storage features. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech how-tos.